Hi, let's learn a herringbone stitch. They look like this. They're very pretty stitches. They come out in nice little rows. I'm working on this little sweater from my grandson. It's a pattern by Tiffany Brown, a free pattern you can get on her website, Daisy Farm Crafts. So I'm trying to make her sweater. And this is the herringbone stitch. So I'm going to yarn over my hook, put my hook through the next stitch, yarn over my hook again, pull through the stitch. Now for a herringbone, you pull through again the first stitch on the hook, which is that. Now I'm going to yarn over my crochet hook and pull through again. And that's a herringbone stitch. Let's make another one. Yarn over, then go through. Yarn over, pull through. Pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through two. Let's try the herringbone again. We're going to yarn over our hook, then we go through our stitch. We yarn over the hook, pull through our stitch, pull through the first loop on our hook, yarn over, pull through two loops. So that's how it goes. I'm going to do some more with you all here. We can get this, get the hang of this. So you yarn over your hook, you go through the next stitch, yarn over the hook, pull through the stitch, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through two. I'm going to do a few more while we're still on camera here. Yarn over. Let's see what they look like. There we are. It's coming along. We are making the sleeves to this little sweater. It's going to go down. Keep going down that way there. That's what the front of it looks like. And I'm just going to keep going from here all the way around. We're going to do a couple more rows until we end up like out here with the sleeve. It's a really easy stitch. So I'm going to pick up my piece. I'm going to turn it away from me. I'm going to put my crochet hook in the work. This is the working end of the yarn. It's attached to the yarn ball. And this is Patons Classic Wool Worsted I'm using. Pure new wool, it says, by Patons. And the color is Aran. It does always remember it lets you know what hook size it recommends and the needle size for knitting and the hook size for crochet. Okay, let's make some more herringbone stitches here. So yarn over the hook, find the next stitch right here, go through it, yarn over, pull through, pull through the first loop on the hook, yarn over again, pull through two. Sometimes I need to slow down and say these things because it's helpful to learn all these different stitches. And you know what? You don't have to remember them. You can just look them up as you're trying a new pattern. And after you make 100 or so of one stitch, it becomes really a nice flow, and it's no big deal. It's really not hard at all. One stitch at a time. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Yarn over. Now, this is where she talks on the computer about, this is a big space here. And maybe she goes through this one, Tiffany, and then she comes through the first loop, and then she yarns over, goes through the second one. Oh, how does she do it? Might have to refer. Go through here, yarn over, pull through again. Oh yes, this is how you get a herringbone into 2 stitches and pull through. So there, we did it. And I think we're gonna do that just again here, because it shows here we're getting real close to the beginning of where I started this afternoon, right here. I hope you've been seeing what I'm doing. Okay, so yarn over for herringbone, go through the next stitch, yarn over your hook, pull through, yarn over the first loop on the hook, yarn over, pull through two loops. There. Okay, now let's look for our next stitch on this little sleeve, and it's not this, but I'm going to go right here. So I'm going to yarn over, go through this stitch, yarn over, pull through, then pull through the first loop on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook.